Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday morning. First day of school for my kids. First day of school for my grandbaby. And I'm up early. I usually get up around 5 or 5:30. But they're juniors and seniors this year. And Brooke is in 3rd grade. So I figure I might as well just let them sleep a little bit later. And I can sleep a little bit later because this is like, we do this all the time. So I get up early, and what I usually do is I feed them breakfast and I make their lunch for school. I know that, and I don't make their lunch the night before. No, I do it that same morning to have fresh sandwiches, fresh cold juice, and snacks. I don't pre-make their lunches. I do everything that first in the morning to get them ready for school. And making them today, they're gonna have cereal for breakfast because I'm not gonna cook a big breakfast. They're gonna have cereal. So when they wake up, they're gonna have cereal, a glass of juice or some water to start off the day, and to get them going. And that's what we're going to do for today. Even though I know schools will give kids breakfast or they can have breakfast in school, I like to feed my family before they go to school. So I know that no matter what happens in school, that I fed them breakfast and they ate. So I have my wheat bread, I have some cheese from Walmart, and I have some turkey breasts that they're going to have for their sandwiches. So I'm going to get out my turkey breast, and I have wheat bread, not white whole bread, some wheat bread, just trying to get them a healthy start. So I'm going to pop open my turkey breast. Jeez, if I could pop it open. Use this as a mechanism to open it. Now, I put my hand right here so I can pull out what I need. My hands are clean without washing again. Just wash them. So, my kids they like mustard and mayonnaise on their sandwich, but the majority of them like mayonnaise. So I'm going to use mayonnaise, and I use a squirt one. It's easier. And there's nothing wrong with mayonnaise because I like mayonnaise on my sandwich. My kids like mayonnaise on their sandwich. So that's what we're going to have. Light on the mayo. And I only put it on one slice of bread because you don't need all that mayonnaise. So I'm going to put a couple of slices of turkey on that. I just grab that's why I put it in a little container. I just grab like a hand load of turkey to make it nice and thick sandwich. Because after all that activity, working, getting up early and everything else, they're going to need a nice lunch. So then I'll take cheese, and I'll put a little bit more turkey on top just to make it a nice hearty sandwich. And I'll squirt just a little bit of mayonnaise on top of that, just to have a little flavor. There you go. I'm gonna take my sandwich bottom, put it on the top. Each sandwich, take the bottom, put it on the top. Sandwich the bottom, put it on the top, and there you go. Now I got 3 turkey and cheese sandwiches. I'm gonna get my knife, cut them.
Those look good.
Thank you. Put them on top of each other, hack, so you can do them all at once.
Look at you.
Exactly. Smash them down. Big knife. Cut right there. There you go. Now 3 sandwiches done. Look at that, guys. I don't need to prepare the day before. I do all this. I do it all the time. I'm used to it. It's a step to it. I'm used to it. Look how easy I just made 3 sandwiches without having to cut them all up and everything else. That easy. 3 whole meals, 3 sandwiches, done. With the cut of 1 knife afterwards. So I'm going to put those to the side. Get the little containers out. Get my sandwich bags out. Always got to have regular sandwich bags, quart gallon bags, and I showed you guys this. They all have their own containers. I got those for school. So let's see what we got. So now I'm going to take the sandwiches and put them in a little container. And I have some containers already set out. I use the red ones. And each, Shyla, Brooke, and Elisa both got their own containers. So I'm just line these up. And sandwich 1 goes in there just like that. Put it right in there like that. Put your top on it. Sandwich 1. Look at that, guys. Sandwich 1. Nicely, neatly packed and stacked. Put that to the side. Then we'll get sandwich 2 out. Look at that. It fits right in there. You put your top on it. And my kids are older. My oldest, who's going in her senior year, said she wants a lunchbox. But my kids don't need a lunchbox because they've had one and they're older. They're in high school. But if they want one, Shyla wants one, so she probably will get her a lunchbox. I don't think Elisa wants a lunchbox. Thus why I buy these and these as well, just for backup. So, last sandwich going in, Brooke. And I don't have to fix them lunch, but this is what I do every day. And I also, like I said, feed them breakfast so that they can have a nice start, because breakfast is the most important meal of the day. And look at that, 3 sandwiches packed already. So I put back my turkey. Look at that, and it looks so nice and neat. Look at that, guys. And again, I do this all the time. Not just for first day of school, not just for a video. I do it all the time for them, because that's what I do. I get up in the mornings, feed them breakfast, and I still feed them breakfast after all these kids going to school. I still get up and say, good morning, wake up, breakfast time. So I'm about to wake them up. But before I do that, I'm going to put their lunches out. So this is Brooke. This is Elisa. And I'll show you one by one as I stack it. And this is Shyla. Fruit snacks on each one of them. And there you go. For their liquids, we're going to keep it healthy. We're going to keep it simple. We don't want too much sugar and all that, because they got, they have their chips, they have their gummies. So we're going to lock that down with a nice cold ice water.